Hey everyone, I'm Nora Wells, Program Manager with the Challenge Program. Welcome back to our Career Awareness Series. Today we'll be hearing from some business partners in the manufacturing and contracting industries. If you're a student watching this video as an assignment, you can find this video and a survey to complete on our website at www.tcpinc.org/workforce-development. We'll start the day off with manufacturing. Did you know that according to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, that manufacturing jobs employ 8.5% of the U.S. workforce, and they pay 12% more than other jobs? Today you'll hear from Alma Actuators, located in Canonsburg, PA. They'll talk to you about different careers within the company and much more. Let's get started.
Alma Actuators is a manufacturing company located in Canonsburg, PA. Our main products are electric actuators and gearboxes. Actuators operate valves, and gearboxes produce torque. Alma has been manufacturing valve actuators for over 50 years, and we are a major supplier to the water, power, oil and gas, and industrial markets. We offer various opportunities for employment, full-time careers, internships, and even apprenticeships. Alma has 3 potential career tracks you could follow. One career track is the opportunity to work on our shop floor. This position requires a high school diploma and a technical or mechanical background. We find people that love to tinker with machinery and work on cars become our best, most engaged employees. We work with the Pittsburgh German Chamber of Commerce to hire apprentices while they are in high school and assist with their technical education. This gives them the opportunity to earn money and hands-on experience while obtaining an associate's degree. The second career track is with our service department. Our service technicians travel all over the country servicing and repairing actuators once they are installed in a customer's site. Service technicians typically have an electrical and or mechanical background and the ability to travel and good customer service skills. The third career track will be to work as an office personnel in accounting, engineering, sales, marketing, product management, supply chain management, customer service management, or HR management. This career track does require a 4-year college degree. We do offer internships that allow you to learn while earning college credits. Benefits of working as a full-time employee include competitive pay, medical, dental, and vision insurance, paid time off, 401k and a company match, paid holidays, tuition repayment assistance, and many, many more.
Hi, my name is Megan Ruth, and I'm a manufacturing engineer here at Alma Actuators, and I've been working in that position full-time for about 3 months now, but I actually started out with the company as an intern in the fall, September through December. In my role as an intern, I worked with the logistics department and provided support in terms of inventory and material management. And while I didn't necessarily stay in that role full time, I did have the opportunity to be exposed to some different positions and some different things that might interest me. One thing that I really appreciated about the company in my internship was that they weren't just interested in what I could provide in my role, but what I was interested in learning. So I did have the chance, after I completed a lot of my logistics activities, to look at some other projects, and one of those was working in the position that I currently am, and I got to work on some different projects that really interested me, and that actually led me to land my role in the company that I currently am working at. And what day-to-day looks like as a manufacturing engineer is there's typically a lot of different projects that I'll be managing at once. So what I really like about my position is that it's never the same day to day, and it gives me a wide variety of items and tasks to look at. So for me, I think the repetition of the same activity day to day would get really boring, but I think having a lot of different projects and processes that you can look at is really interesting and really stimulating, and something that was very attractive to me. Something that I really like about the culture at Alma is that it is a smaller company, so I think it feels a lot more like a family, and I like that I have the opportunity to work with some people that I would have maybe never gotten the chance to at a larger company. For example, even being a manufacturing engineer, I've had the opportunity to work with the marketing department, which isn't a crossover that you might necessarily think would happen. So I think for me, it's really interesting to have the opportunity to work with a lot of different personnel, and I like that within a smaller company too. I feel like I have a lot of support in terms of my project, and it's easy for me to know who to go to or to ask who to go to if I have a question. I found that everyone is very willing to help.
Hi, my name is Tony Scacchetti. I'm the Operations and Quality Manager for Alma Actuators. I also have responsibility in facilities and safety. As Operations Manager, a lot of my job is spent keeping the plant and operations moving forward. We've got day-to-day production, we've got equipment, we've got utilities, we've got a lot of things that we have to take care of in order to keep the process going. I also do have responsibilities in quality, where day to day we're going to have what we call non-conformances, product that doesn't not quite right, or maybe there's new product or different product that we need to inspect and make sure that it's functioning the way it's supposed to. So basically, I do get to I have the benefit of a lot of different things that I experience on a day-to-day basis, which is what I like about my job. Each day is never the same. There's the day-to-day routine, I call, processes that need to be reviewed. We need to make sure that we have the proper labor lined up for the day, make sure we have the parts that we need, make sure that we're focusing on the right jobs to make sure our customer is satisfied. And I also have day-to-day responsibilities for capital budgets and projects, which is basically that's what helps fund and keep our improvements moving forward, keeping us up to date with technology. The culture at Alma is also very unique in the respects that we're a German-based company. We meet and work daily with our counterparts in Germany, and what makes it interesting is how the two different cultures mesh. And I think each facility, from a culture perspective, is better for it. But ultimately, the culture is the people. The people that are working on Alma. It's a great, diverse group. They embrace a lot of the changes as we are an evolving plant. Without that, obviously, if we're not evolving, we're coming in the wrong direction. So that's been embraced by the people. They also respect some of the German culture influence. So it certainly makes it a very unique and interesting and great place to work. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Shane Dolan. I'm an electronic technician, assembler, tester, and team leader at Alma. I've been working here for 11 years now, and my daily position requires me to do a lot of reading schematics, wiring diagrams, troubleshooting that comes along with testing over any problems we may encounter throughout the day. We work closely with the engineers and the customers to make sure we get them the product that they ordered. It's working together as a team. That's what I like. It's not just one person. We all come together to solve any problems we encounter, and that's a big thing for me is team. And when we work together as a team, we're always making sure that the customer is number one and that they get the best product that's out there for them.
Hello, my name is Matt Golovecchia. I've been working at Alma Actuators for 6 years as a field service technician. A field service technician has the opportunity to travel to various sites around the U.S. to service the Alma product line. My job is to ensure our customers' equipment operates properly and flawlessly. I diagnose and repair units on site as well as install and set up new units. Most of our units are integrated for critical and essential operations such as water treatment plants and power generation plants, which are required to function at all times. What I like about working at Alma is that I get to work directly for the manufacturer, meaning I have the full support of the factory behind me. If I need extra parts or I need engineering assistance in the field, the factory is right there to lend a hand. The culture here is very friendly, diverse, and supportive. We have a family-like organization which works great for the teamwork needed between all of Alma's departments. I feel very fortunate and grateful to be part of the Alma family.
Hi, my name is Brian Geiger. My position at Alma, I'm an electromechanical assembly technician / tester. I've worked at Alma for 5+ years. This is just had my 5th year anniversary. What I do is I build and test the control heads for the actuators. Now, when you think of an actuator, what do you think of? The definition of an actuator is a mechanical device for moving and controlling something. So basically what I do is I build the control head that tells it what to do based on a PLC program. When I get my order in, I'll check and make sure I have all the materials to build the job. I'll look over the schematics of the drawing. I'll work with engineering. I'll work with the other technicians to make sure that we can get this assembled per the customer's request and how he wants it. And everybody helps one another out, and it's just a great place to be.
Thanks to the team at Alma for all that info. If you'd like to learn more, check them out on their website at auma.com. Up next, we have Highland Tank to talk to us about the products they manufacture that are used all around the world in their multiple locations.
Since our start in 1946, Highland Tank has had a simple mission: engineer and manufacture high-quality products while providing innovative solutions through relationships founded on integrity and excellent customer service. The early days of tank production helped shape Highland Tank's future. Over time, our product lines have changed and expanded to accommodate demand. However, our philosophy has remained the same: manufacture a solid product at a competitive price and deliver it on time. Today, Highland Tank is proud to offer an extensive, diverse line of products, including petroleum and chemical storage tanks, wastewater treatment systems, grease interceptors, water storage tanks, and ASME pressure vessels. In addition to a wide offering of standard petroleum and chemical storage tanks, Highland Tank also offers its own unique High-Guard and Titan underground storage tanks, along with insulated above-ground Fire-Guard storage tanks. With increased manufacturing space to accommodate demand for commercial and industrial LPG vessels, Highland Tank can fabricate a variety of LPG vessels and customized pressure vessels for a multitude of applications, including propane autogas. Highland Tank's Wastewater Treatment Systems division includes our own patented design oil-water separator, along with oil-sand interceptors and other wastewater filtration products designed to help industrial, transportation, and petroleum facilities comply with regulations set by the Environmental Protection Agency. Highland Tank is unique in that it offers a complete line of grease removal devices, including hydromechanical, gravity, and manual grease interceptors. Highland Tank's Grease Stopper is the featured product from our Grease Removal Systems division, which also includes flush-with-floor automatic grease interceptors. Highland Tank's Water Storage Tank division fabricates pressurized water vessels and a wide range of water storage tanks. This division also includes specialized rainwater harvesting and gray water recycling systems for various water reuse applications. To accommodate the growing number of data centers in the United States, Highland Tank offers thermal energy storage tanks for use at these critical facilities, and our stormwater detention tanks aid in reducing a building's environmental footprint while meeting regulations. Our manufacturing facilities utilize the latest technology required to build the tanks and vessels that are in demand today. Highland Tank's products are in use all over the world. Our facilities are strategically located to supply high-quality products using our fleet of delivery trucks. We also utilize many of our products at our facilities. The coating shops where we put the final touches on our products are heated with propane stored in our own LPG vessels. Highland Tank ASME pressure vessels supply the air for our tank blasting and coating operations. Our production facilities utilize one of Highland Tank's engineered hydro pure rainwater harvesting systems to capture rainwater in a holding tank and processes the water for reuse. We are also using our HighLink technology to monitor and manage our storage tanks, rainwater system, and truck fleet. Highland Tank takes great pride in our team of professionals in design, engineering, fabrication, sales, delivery, and service. Each member of our team is dedicated to providing tanks and pressure vessels of the highest craftsmanship and performance. In addition to our line of standard products, we specialize in custom fabrication to meet the needs of many unique applications. Our team will work with you to find a solution to your projects. Contact the Highland Tank team for your challenging tank or vessel needs.
Thank you, Highland Tank, for the information on what goes on at Highland Tank facilities. If you're interested in learning more, head to highlandtank.com. Next, we'll be hearing from some construction companies. Construction is a high-growth industry. However, the Associated General Contractors of America released a report last year that 80% of contractors surveyed were concerned that they would not be able to find enough workers to keep up with their expansion plans. Let's hear from one of them now, Clarke Contractors.
Welcome to Clarke Contractors. For 3 generations, we've built our reputation around quality, job planning, organization, technical knowledge, and hard work. Since 1951, Clarke Contractors has performed commercial and industrial work for a wide range of clients throughout the central western PA and northern Maryland area. As a family-owned business for 3 generations, we're committed to completing projects with the excellence that our clients have come to expect. We provide a comprehensive range of construction services for retail properties, banking and insurance buildings, healthcare and medical facilities, industrial facilities, warehouses, manufacturing plants, and more. There is a reason that Clarke Contractors is a leader in the construction industry. Simply put, it's our people. To continue being one of the nation's leading commercial contractors, we must attract, develop, and retain the best talent. Clarke seeks ambitious and dedicated professionals to fill positions at all levels of our team. Are you interested in becoming a part of our team? Whether you are a recent graduate or have decades of experience, Clarke offers opportunities for individuals at all stages of their careers. We provide the chance to work with and learn from the best and brightest construction professionals and to build the most sophisticated and industry-leading projects in the country. See how your skills and passion align with our available opportunities at Clarke Contractors.
Thank you for sharing that great information. If you're interested in learning more about Clarke Contractors, check out their website at clarkecontractorinc.com. Next, we'll be hearing from Mascaro Construction and the types of projects their employees complete on a daily basis.
Opportunities available today in construction are the best I've ever seen in my lifetime.
We're seeing it here in Beaver County with the construction of Shell's ethane cracker plant, but it's much bigger than that even. You're seeing this regional resurgence of manufacturing and advanced energy that allows us to really realize the opportunity of construction.
If you want to get into this field, you just have to do your research and, just understand that it could go way beyond anything you even imagine.
It's 100% that you're gonna love it. You're gonna love it. Whatever it is, so many different. You can be technical electrician, you be a carpenter.
There's a lot of opportunities for females out there too. There's no reason why a woman can't do any of the things that a man does as part of a craft. I've seen women tying rebar, I've seen women setting steel, I've seen women, terminating electrical components.
There has been an extreme sense of pride in all of the jobs we build. It's more than a paycheck or it's more than a career. You built the home of the Pittsburgh Steelers. You built a building that is going to cure cancer. You built a building that's going to house those who are sick. You built a building that'll educate our children. So it's so much more than that.
I'm working on skyscrapers. I'm working in football fields. Commercial carpentry is so much bigger than what people think.
The best part about it is watching the finished product. Just the finished product and just see what you built. It gives you a sense of satisfaction. It's awesome. I really, really enjoy it.
Thank you for giving us a better insight on all of the opportunities at Mascaro Construction. If you'd like to learn more, visit their website at mascaroconstruction.com. Now let's hear from BJ Dick, Trumbull, Lindy Paving on the role they play in the community and their company's values.
What makes a family? Do you have to be born into it? Or can it also be something you build for yourself? The scaffolding of your life, constructed from the best people you can find, to surround you, keep you strong, and lift you up. At PJ Dick, Trumbull, and Lindy Paving, we know, without a doubt, that it's both. Long before we became a company, we were a family. When PJ Dick was formed, and in the decades that followed, family ties would transform the direction of the company in ways large and small. New companies joined the family. New hires became like family. Even our customers noticed that before long, they felt like family. Today, with over 3,000 employees, we've proven just how big and welcoming this family can be. And proud, too, because P.J. Dick Trumbull Lindy Paving is now one of the largest construction companies in the Mid-Atlantic. We've left a legacy of projects that have transformed our region in untold ways. We are poised to play a leading role in the future of this area and the people who live here for generations to come. And we have never wavered in our commitment to our beliefs, our family values, like partnership. We know that building structures that last begins with building personal relationships, person to person, and in total collaboration. We believe in safety. For decades, down to a person, we've lived by an ironclad commitment to integrate safety into everything we do. For the sake of those who work alongside us and the families they go home to at the end of the day, we are also committed to sustainability. Almost every new project includes some facet of sustainable construction. We work to deliver the highest level of innovation and expertise, to build something better for the people who will ultimately use it, and for the planet we all share. Most important of all, we are bonded by integrity and honesty. Long-term customer relationships based on mutual trust are the foundation on which our companies were built, and we will never work any other way. P.J. Dick, Trumbull, Lindy Paving. Whether you work for us or with us, in the office or in the field, whether you've been here 30 years or 30 days, your family. And of all the amazing things we've built, this group of world-class talent and first-rate human beings, our family, is our proudest achievement.
Thank you for that info. It seems like they're very invested in their employees and their community. If you're interested in learning more about P.J. Dick Trumbull Lindy Paving, head to their website at pjdick.com. That's all for today in our second segment of the week of our virtual career awareness series on manufacturing part 2 and contracting. Thank you to all of our business partners for participating today. If you'd like to learn more about any of those partners, their websites and career pages are included in the body of this text. If you'd like to rewatch this video and find a brief survey, check out our website at tcpinc.org/workforce development. Make sure to check back with us tomorrow at 2 p.m. for our final series on finance and technology. See you then.